Very good evening, guys. And today, in this video, I would like to tell about all the IEEE resources that are available right now, and which are most important for us, especially at this stage of our career. First thing is IEEE Extreme. And what is IEEE Extreme is it's a programming competition. It's a 24-hour programming competition where it contains, like, we have to participate in teams. In each team we can have maximum three IEEE members, and this competition is only for IEEE members. And many colleges, many student branches, many universities who have their IEEE student branches in their colleges, universities, etc., they participate in this event. Like, as I said, it is a 24-hour programming competition. They have to, like, we have to participate overnight, like from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock midnight. So that is where the intensity, like, that is where the intent of that program would be. So this is as it also helps us people of ECE also, who are who want, like, who also need coding skills, where in terms of doing any IoT projects and all, they need a few programming skills, so that it helps them, and also a few machine learning algorithms in doing their projects. ECE projects, definitely they need some languages where they embed in their hardware for its functionality. So it also helps them during such projects. So I'll just get you through the website of IEEE Extreme. So this is what IEEE Extreme, all the details of IEEE Extreme programming competition. See, it is written here: IEEE Extreme is a global challenge in which teams of IEEE student members, advised and proctored by an IEEE member. Proctoring means guiding us. They'll take the responsibility of the facilities, and often supported by an IEEE student branch. As I said, it has to be supported by student branch. They have to give give such facility where we do not get bored, or we do not get hesitated. We have to have such an environment where we should enjoy doing programming and having fun, and we have to learn a lot of things. That is where support of IEEE student branch is required, and compete in a 24-hour time span against each other, against each other, to solve a set of programming problems. So if we still go down, you can see a few photos. This is actually a Twitter feed, I hope so. See, these are the few pictures of people who are participating, while these are the pictures taken when people are participating in an IEEE Extreme programming competition. See this middle one, where they are having fun writing extreme on their hands and showing their hard work, in terms of showing their hard work. And see this environment. And you can also we can also find a lot of these pictures in Facebook. They'll post during this competition. Few of the colleges, they post in Facebook. So seeing those pictures itself, you will understand how interestingly they are doing it, and the kind of environment they have in their colleges, like participating in this competition. They'll have a lot of fun, guys, and also learning experience will be pretty much. This is what IEEE Extreme is. And second thing is IEEE Collaboratic. It is simple, it is a small thing, but it helps us many a times. This is what IEEE Collaboratic is. IEEE Collaboratic is actually, it's like a Facebook, where you can interact with people, international people, and you can also form groups. See, there are 6 professional communities, 10 library documents, 1 private group. This is actually in my account. So 13 people in your network. This is what network. This is what you can do networking. You can have networking with different professionals across the country, across the globe, and interact with them, so that it helps you in professionally in your career. It is simply, if I can say, it is a collaboration website where you can collaborate with people for good communication. And the third one is IEEE TV. It's as if like YouTube, it would be better if I compare these things with YouTube, Facebook, and all. I've compared Facebook with Collaboratic. I've compared YouTube with IEEE. So as YouTube is for entertainment, you can see any of the videos, and this is for technology. This is for learning knowledge. Like this is for learning and getting knowledge, and this is for engineering students. This TV, IEEE TV, you will have access to a lot of videos. You'll have a lot of channels. You can see events there, highlights, education regarding education, what all things are happening, all these things. You can have access to a lot of videos. In those videos, they'll explain like you can see a lot of things that are actually happening outside the world regarding technology and all. And this is where using this platform where you can stay technically strong. You can stay technically current and be technically strong. So there are a lot of videos. Please go through this site and find out how it is useful for you. And third one is, and fourth and fifth is IEEE Resume Lab and Job Site. And these two things, even though I've written at the last, they play a major role for us at this point. And in 4.1 and 4.2 we are going to have the placements. So these two sites will definitely help us a lot. Resume Lab is the place where you can build your resume with proper IEEE format, with proper structure, where if people see your resume, they'll get impressed and definitely they'll give you a job. And in IEEE job site also, you can also search for international jobs and also the national jobs, which are very competitive enough. It's very tough for us to get those jobs, but we have to explore, right? We have to explore to each and every opportunity, right? So definitely helps us a lot. I'll show you regarding IEEE Resume Lab. So this is what IEEE Resume Lab. You can access IEEE Resume Lab only if you have an IEEE account. See, these are the benefits of this Resume Lab. Resume or curriculum vitae, you can build, you can create our portfolio, skill assessment, you can have mock interview, video resume. Then they'll train you guys. If you are a member, if you take membership, they'll train you guys. So if you build that IEEE, build your resume in IEEE Lab, Resume Lab, then it's great, guys. No one will have such a great resume. Only IEEE Resume Lab people, like who will create their resume in IEEE Resume Lab. Definitely they have, like, people think it as a great thing. Develop your resume or CV using a number of different templates geared toward technical industries, sectors, and work experience stages. Interview process requires various types of letters. Especially in a college, they'll make us to write many letters, right? From a cover letter to a post interview thank you letter. Resume Lab will help you develop these letters and assist you in communicating optimally throughout the hiring process. Create your portfolio of your work. Mock interview, video resume. Create a video resume or use the video function to record custom video message to potential employers. And nowadays this is also going vital, like a video resume, like introducing yourself, introducing yourself in a form of a video and sending that, and like telling about complete profile of yourself in a video and sending that video instead of a soft copy of your resume. You will explain it lively and send that video. And this is something new thing which is happening now. And this Resume Lab will definitely help us a lot. And job site, and the last one is IEEE job site. This is IEEE job site. See, the right candidate right now. We can post the resume. We can get to the news of latest news, job seeker, career events, all the events regarding careers. You can get access to those events and find out what's happening regarding jobs and all, career fairs, everything, lot of things, and conferences, upcoming IEEE conference and events. We can also know about these things here. Upcoming achieved career webinars. See, they will also conduct webinars. That means online seminar. You can